Cameron, the MACH 2018 show, everybody's looking forward to going, is just around the corner. VICIVISION are part of the Fulham group. What products are you going to be taking to the stand?
Okay, so we've got two VICIVISION machines, which are the 60mm diameter, 300mm in length, and we've also got another machine which is 140mm diameter and 900 in length.
So what principally are these machines? For people that haven't heard of VICIVISION and are coming to the show, what do they need to know about what you do?
The VICIVISION can measure any kind of turn component, whether it's got threads, any kind of GD&T on there, it can measure. So really, it's any kind of turned shop floor component the VICIVISION will be able to measure.
And what sort of sizes?
Well, the machines we've got go up to 140mm and 900mm in length, but the VICIVISION has a capability of just over 1.5 metres in length and 150mm in diameter.
I notice this machine is actually measuring this shaft at the moment, isn't it? Is that measuring pretty much every dimension on there?
Yeah, so on the part we've got at the minute is measuring pretty much every single dimension, and from run out to concentricity and any kind of thread measurement we can find in the part.
It's definitely the quickest way to measure a shaft like that, isn't it? Challenges for people coming to the show, can they bring parts to show you and say, look, I'm doing this at the moment this way, can you improve that?
Absolutely, we welcome a challenge. We'd love you to bring your parts and basically give us something to have a look at. It's a long day, we need some challenges to look at.
And when they do turn up, they're going to need to know where to find you. So where are VICIVISION, Cameron?
So we're in Hall 19, stand 410.
That's it. So kit like this, you need to go to the Fulham group stand and see VICIVISION and Cameron.